This is Brad Pilon, and although you may have heard all of the craze to do with keto lately, I urge you to pay close attention to the short, information-packed presentation before considering any type of ketogenic diet. Why? Because your health, well-being, and weight loss results may very well depend on it. You see, I'm not here to cash in and sell you on a keto diet, like most marketers are that are behind the information you've likely been exposed to. I'm here today to give you the truth about keto, the good, the bad, and the ugly truth, along with the facts that you need to know about the female metabolism in order to help you make an educated decision on whether keto is right for you. And what's more, I'll also be sharing totally unique, cutting-edge fat loss tips with you today that can forever change the way you look at dieting while putting you on track to the fastest, healthiest, and most sustainable weight loss of your life. All that I need is a few minutes of your time. Sound fair enough? Oh, and rest assured that what we're about to cover is based on the latest and greatest medical, scientific, and peer-reviewed research available today, which will be referenced whenever you see a symbol pop up like this. Again, in case you don't know me, my name is Brad Pilon, and to be frank, the science of nutrition and female fat loss has consumed my entire adult life. And over that time, I've been extremely blessed for my work to have touched the lives of so many thousands of women around the world just like you through my international best-selling weight loss books, programs, coaching, speaking engagements, live events, and even the in-depth diet exposés like today's presentation. And I'd just like to truly thank you for that opportunity before we begin, because it really does mean the world to me. Okay, so let's dive into the ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet is a diet that virtually eliminates all carbohydrates. Dramatically reducing or eliminating all carbohydrates forces your body to begin using fats and ketones for fuel instead of your body's normal fuel source, which is glucose. And when your body is forced to switch its fuel source over to ketones from glucose, you then enter a state called ketosis, hence the name ketogenic diet. So who came up with this unusual diet and why? Well, you may be surprised to learn that the ketogenic diet was not originally created or intended to be used for weight loss purposes or without medical supervision. In fact, the original ketogenic diet was developed for the treatment of epilepsy in 1921 by the esteemed Dr. Wilder and has since also been used as a potential treatment for conditions including respiratory failure and certain types of pediatric cancer. And most recently, keto diets are being thoroughly studied as a potential therapeutic diet for a range of other diseases, including type 2 diabetes, polycystic ovary syndrome, and neurodegenerative diseases. However, our main focus today is on the ketogenic diet as it pertains to weight loss and the female metabolism in order to better help you understand what you'd be getting into and what you could expect with keto. First of all, let's address one of the biggest questions to do with keto. Do keto diets really work for weight loss? The simple answer is yes, they can work. And they can work fast. By eliminating carbohydrates from our diet, we can virtually shut off the fat-storing hormone insulin, which can be very helpful for weight loss. And there are many studies that support this. However, there are 3 big risks for women going keto that you absolutely must understand, because they can have an enormous impact on your health, metabolism, and long-term weight loss results. Unfortunately, when there's a ton of money on the line like there is for keto marketers during this keto craze that they created, the very real risks of keto are not often talked about and can sometimes be intentionally hidden from you. Okay, let's dive into the 3 biggest risks, and whatever you do, you can't miss the 3rd one I'm about to share.